Hello friends, now we're going to see the loops in C language. Loops are used to execute nothing but a block of code or a part of program of a several programming in a for a several programming times. There are three kind of loops. First is do loop, second is while loop, third is for loop. For any kind of program you need to get into the loops. For example, if you take for loop, for example a is equal to 0 uh, till a is equal to 10, a plus plus. So this is print f, for example percent %d, the value of a. So this is nothing but this loop is going to execute. It will start from a is equal to 0. It will first enter, it will find out whether a is greater than or equal to 10, and it will go on incrementing the value of a plus plus. Next time, first time it will print 0, next time it will print 1, second 2, 3. It will go until 10. So until and unless value becomes 10, the output would be followed. So this is kind of an example of looping. Here loops can be used in many of the programs when you have to calculate different kind of values or different programs you have to write. So for loop, while loop, do while loop, there are different circumstances under which the different kinds of loops can be used, and these loops actually have made the programming very easy, and long run codes has been avoided due to looping techniques. So loops has to be done perfectly if you want to have strong hold on programming languages. So we'll see the syntax of do while loop in C. It is better to execute that code at least once. you know First you have to write that do is a keyword, while is also a keyword, and here is the opening bracket and here is the closing bracket, and between that the code is written, and here the closing condition is written. For example, do printf percent %d means nothing but the value of, say for example, a, while a is equal to, while a is greater than equal to 10, say example. This is the closing condition, and here we have set the value of a is equal to 0. For example, if we have set the value in the beginning of the program, that is integer a is equal to 0. Now a has got the value 0. The program will start do, and it is going to printf percent %d. First time it will print 0, second time it will apply the condition 0 is greater than equal to 10. Yeah, the condition is true. Again it will go back. Next time it will come, and it will, here we have to write a plus plus also, since it is going to increase. Sorry, here not, you can write here a plus plus. A is equal to, a plus plus is nothing but a plus plus is nothing but a is equal to a plus 1. So this, here a value will be 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. Now a's value will become 1. So in this way 0, 1, 2, 3 to 10 it will be printed. So this is nothing but do while programming syntax, where it is actually very easy to do the programming of do while. Here similarly there is do while condition and loop is there. Single while loop is there, where for example a is equal to 0. Example, this is integer a is equal to 0. We have set the value a is equal to 0. Now write while a is greater than equal to 10, and condition is here, print the value of say for example a, and do a is equal to a plus 1. This is the program. See here what the code is to be executed is nothing but this is the code which we are executing. This is opening bracket and closing bracket. So here we have opening bracket and closing bracket. Here the condition is there, similar condition we have placed over here, and here we have defined that integer a is equal to 0. First we have to set the value of a is equal to 0, then it will execute this condition and print the values of a. accordingly. So this is nothing but the execution of the while loop. uh, Here we have the execution of uh, for for loop. For loop here, the first part condition is initialization, second is condition, third is the increment decrement, and here the code is to be executed. So in for initialization we have set a is equal to 0. This is initialization. We have set the value of a is equal to 0. Now condition a is greater than equal to 10. This is the condition. What to do? Until and unless this condition is met, do a plus plus, right? So and here you can write the code which is to be executed. So you can write the code here which is to be executed. For example, if you want to print f the value of a, so you can actually write the printf the value of a accordingly. So the value of a will change and it is going to get printed on the console screen, the output the values of a. So the loop will begin in this way. It will start first a is equal to 0. It is going to go and print. Next condition it will again analyze whether a 0 is greater than equal to 10. Then it's going to do what? A plus plus means first output was 0, second will be 1, directly after calculation 2, 3, 4, and it will come till 10. 10 is greater than equal to 10. Again here the last statement will be printed as 10, but when 11 will come, here the condition will become false, and then it will exit out of the loop. So nothing but here till the condition is satisfied, this has to be process has to be repeated. So this is nothing but the for loop initialization. We'll take the break statement in the next session.